What's up everyone, it's your boy Eric. In this video, I'll be installing heat tape around the turbo inlet pipe. Supposedly, it will lower your IATs, which will provide cooler air in your engine. Hey, I guess everyone wants to be cool, but let's get started. So you'll need to remove these 4 screws. Once the 4 screws are removed, you'll notice that these hose lines are loose, which gives you that space to go ahead and wrap the heat tape around your turbo inlet pipe. Now you can grab your heat tape, this one right here, and as you can see, I've actually cut them down into strips. That's about 20 to 30 strips altogether. So now you could go ahead and grab 1 strip, but now also note that when you do cut several strips, you do want to just cut one and do some measurements. And in this case, I measured it enough to overlap about 1 inch over the other end, as you can see, and that will enable it to cover the whole turbo inlet pipe. Now you can remove the backing of the first tape and stick it on the turbo inlet pipe. As you can see, I start at the right side. And you continue pushing it down, eliminating as much of wrinkles as possible. So here I pushed the tape all the way around the inlet pipe and stick it to the other end. Give it a nice push all the way through so it sticks. Now for the second strip, it's pretty much the same thing as you did on the first one, but most importantly, you want to cover half of the first strip. So it's basically layers, and you just continue on and on and on. Now when you end up finding a hard stop, as I did here, you would have to cut it. So get your pair of scissors and give it a cut. Now you just push the remaining tape onto the pipe. Make sure it's nice and flat. And like I said, try to reduce your wrinkles as much as possible, but it should be good to go. Damn, that thing looking like a cobra snake. And this is your final product. As you can see, I also wrapped the hose line at the top and also at the bottom. So what did we do? We added the adhesive heat shield, which is also known as heat tape. Why do we do this? Well, it assists to lower the intake air temperature, which is also known as your IATs. Now, how does it work? As the outside air goes through the intake, the tape reflects the engine heat. So overall, install was simple and driving around the highway provided up to 6 degrees below previous temperatures. That's not too bad. So, hey, well, that's it for now. But until the next video, whatever you do in life, always stay driven. Peace.